Hi, I'm Mike DeBona. I'm one of the instructors here at Center for Manufacturing Technology. Today I'm going to be showing you how to install a tooling block on the turret of this CNC lathe here. So let's get started. Notice that on the mounting surface of the turret there are keyways that are going to accept these keys on the back of our tooling block. So we need to make sure that these keyways are clean and clear of chips and debris, and that we line up those keys with those keyways for the block to fit on. We are then going to hand tighten these bolts down before properly tightening them with a torque wrench. So we have our torque wrench set here to 100 foot-pounds per the manufacturer specifications. So we are going to tighten these down to 100 foot-pounds in a cross pattern. So now we're going to install our turning tool into the tooling block we just put on, and we're also going to install our carbide insert. So now we're ready to install our turning tool into the tooling block. So we're going to put this in with the insert seat facing downwards. And now this wedge here has two bolts that just need to be tightened down. We're going to start by snugging those down. All right, and now we can give them a solid tighten, being aware to give even tightening force to both. All right. So now we're going to install our carbide insert into the turning tool. First snugging down a bolt in the center of the insert. And then there's another bolt to capture the top of the insert. Okay. Thanks for watching, and make sure to catch the rest of our CNC Lathe Setup series.